What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and pocket option with Binance Pay. So, first things first is you want to go and open up pocket option here and you want to log in into your account. Now, in the main UI here, you want to go ahead and click on the wallet icon that you see at the top right of your screen. So once you press on it, you should be able to see the top up option. So you want to go and click on the top up button that you see here at the center. Now from then on, you want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see Binance Pay. Go ahead and press or click on it. And from here on, you want to go and just fill out the details. So in this case, you may want to specify the amount that you want to basically cash in here or deposit. And also if you have a promo code, go ahead and choose the I have a promo code here so that you can use that. But once you've done that, you want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see the continue and pay option. So once you press on it, you should be able to see this UI here, which in this case, you want to go and click on Open Binance app here. And from then on, just basically follow the on-screen steps here. Now, also, if you want to read further on how to use Binance Pay, you can go and click on the How to Pay button here. So you could read further how you can actually make the transfer. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if I found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.